Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or +2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is December 12, 2023, Tuesday. Option expiry for FinNifty. First the levels, then the power of technical analysis. FinNifty closed to 21,173.25, 0.2% down, while BankNifty down 0.46, 47,097.55. Nifty down 0.43%, 20,906.40. So, before we go into the details, the power of technical analysis. Yesterday, what did we say? We had very clearly said on the upper side, it is the Bollinger upper band in the monthly plus 100 one can have, which is roughly around 21,550. It never went there. It was not even threatening to go there. Right? On the downward side, we had said that the previous week low, which is way too below, we had also said. But that is how one should play. But of course, for people who are associated with me, like we are, and myself personally, we have a stricter the upward and lower side, which is why we are able to consistently tell accurately how things happen, because that's the power of technical analysis. So technical analysis is the ultimate. That's why I tell everyone, if you want to trade in the market, please learn technical analysis thoroughly. So what type of candle it formed? Yesterday, what did we said? Or in fact, what we said, the upper bands will keep moving up, the price will not be able to catch up. Precisely that is what had happened. And yesterday it formed a hanging man or a doji kind of a candle. It is a reversal. That's what we had said. Reversal means it is not a trend reversal. It is at least a short-term reversal or a pullback one can call. So today it opened a gap up. But opening gap up, gap down doesn't matter much. But if it had opened gap down, the fall would have been more severe. But because it opened the gap up, it couldn't take out previous day's high. Whereas Nifty was able to take out previous day's high, that is Monday's high, but BankNifty and FinNifty couldn't take yesterday's high. Still, hence, it formed a solid red candle, a bearish engulf candle. All three formed a bearish engulf. So what it tells now, it is on a sideways. Why? We had also explained. In the weekly chart, after a significant up move, it formed a solid green candle and closed outside above the Bollinger upper band in the weekly chart. Hence, this week we had said that it is going to be either doji or a solid red candle, small red candle, or a pullback candle in the weekly chart. If that has to happen in the weekly, in the daily it has to form such type of red candles, spinning tops, dojis, and sideways candles it has to form. That is what had happened. Nothing great about it. Technical analysis will give answer to everything. That is what it has formed. So in this next 3 days, we expect it to go sideways. Don't expect it to go big upwards, upward or downward. There won't be significant fall, because unless the weekly Bollinger Band is upper band is broken down decisively, because the price is above the weekly upper band in the weekly chart, whereas it is below the monthly and daily chart. As I had said, the bands are moving up, the price is not able to go and catch it up. That is what will happen in the weekly also. Next week it will happen. With that, let's go into the discussion. Banks: Bandhan Bank, Federal Bank, HDFC, IDFC First Bank, Kotak 1% down, IndusInd 2% down, Axis 1% up, Yes Bank 5% up. In the financials, L&T, Manappuram Finance 1% down, Jio and Shriram Finance 2% down, Muthoot 1% up. Insurance and cards, ICICI General, SBI Life 1% up, LIC and ICICI Pru 2% up, HDFC Life had a massive move of 5%. Oil and telecom, both Bharti and Reliance down 1%. That's why Nifty has fallen 0.43% down today. In the IT, Infi Techem 1% down, Apple, Birlasoft, TCS 1% up, others remain sideways. Consumer goods, Bata, Berger, Britannia, PVR 1% down, ABFRL and Titan 2% down, Pidilite 2% up. In the automobiles, Bharat Forge, Escorts, M&M, Tata Motors 1% down, Ashok Leyland, Eicher Motors, Maruti 2% down, Hero Motors 1% up. Metals, National Aluminium, NMDC, SAIL, Vedanta 1% down, Coal 2% down, JSW and Hindalco 1% up, JSW 4% up. Jindal 4% up. JSW is 1% up. Jindal Steel 4% up. In the health and pharma, Divi's, Lalpath, Metropolis 1% down. Apollo Hospitals and Sun Pharma 2% down. Dr. Reddy 1% up. After massive fall yesterday, just some pullback. That is why it has gone up. In the others category, L&T, DLF, Godrej Properties, MCX, Polycab, UPL, Zomato 1% down. Eris and Nykaa 2% down. Adani Ports, Delta Corp, IRCTC 1% up. India Mart and Ultratech 2% up. With all these things, what do we expect for option expiry for Bank Nifty tomorrow? On the upward side also, it is very easy. The Bollinger upper band in the daily 47,978. It's a dynamic level. Please note, tomorrow don't come and ask me why you said this level, because I can only say the technical parameter. The levels will move based on the calculations. Hence, whatever is the tomorrow's level, it can slightly go up or down, but one should see. But it is at 47,978 as of today. But you can be pretty sure it is not going to go there at all. All right. On the lower side, that is the support. What will act as a very good support? September quarterly charts. September quarter high, which is at 46,369.50. Why this? Because at this level you have the exponential moving averages also coming into support. So hence, this level is not that easy to be broken, at least in this week or tomorrow. Probably next week it can happen. Thank you very much.